Hi everybody, today we're going to show you how to put a PM 2.5 filter in the slot in our RKA mask and the nose guard. I am using the over the head behind the neck system, which we like here at the shop because I can just go ahead and loosen it and put it down and be able to talk to everybody. If I had the behind the ear one, which we also have right here, if I put it behind the ear, then when I take it off, it's either off or on. So this one's a little bit more convenient for our application. And we have elastic and we have ties. So we have any application that you want that we can do. So this is got a slot on it for a PM 2.5 filter, or even just a coffee filter if you want to. And I'm going to show you how to put it in. So the first thing you're going to do is open this puppy up as much as you can and get the folded part of it open as much as you can, like this. Here's a typical PM 2.5 filter. We're going to drop that puppy in, push it down all the way to the bottom, and then once we get it down to the bottom, just go ahead and pop it like that, and now it's back together. The filter is in there, and now we have a slot here for a nose guard. Now I want to tell you about these nose guards. We're trying to get everything we can made in the USA, and these are made by a customer of ours down in Los Angeles, and so obviously they're made in the USA and they are laser cut to our specifications. So in order to put in the nose guard, you just slide it in, and there you go. Once you get it in, you put it on, and then you can bend it however you want to contour around your face. So that's how it works. And if you need some masks, just be sure and call RKA at 707-836-7659 or visit our website, which is on the screen right now. Thank you.